Okay, I'm recording. Go.
Oh, Jesus. Oh God.
Aren't you scared you're gonna like fall?
Whoa, no.
You have to go all the way down now. No, you
Lift
don't.
up my skirt. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. Oh, fuck. I should have went down all the way.
Oh my gosh.
I'll just walk. Holy shit. In my face. No, I just don't. Oh my god!
It took you a minute, 55 seconds to go all the way down.
Okay. Fuck you. Why is somebody like down there just watching my ass go down? Oh Jesus!
I'm so posting this on YouTube.
Oh jeez.
I'm gonna put rated PG, no rated R.
No, right in the car. Oh. Hi. I didn't know you were there. Oh, Jesus, my vagina. Oh my God. Ow! Okay. Grab hold of a very large penis. Okay. Oh, Jesus. I'm scared now. Now I have to turn.
Hold on, let me get down.
Oh shit, I spit all around. Somewhere over there. Oh, I think I spit on. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yep, I did. So I have to go down forward. Okay.
What are you doing?
Oh shit! Oh!
You're gonna fall. Oh, Linda, you're really gonna fall.
No, I'm not. Right up the crack. Oh, crack. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yes. I love. Oh! Are you recording this?
Yeah, next to your ass. Zoom in.
Oh, fuck off. I just lost my virginity. That felt good. No.
Are you turning around again? Seriously, Melinda? I don't know.
Don't steal my phone. Where's my phone?
I don't know. I thought you had it.